Go ahead and take a look at what's inside this Starbond 5-minute epoxy kit. So I'm sure, like most turners, you guys use a lot of the little two-part epoxies to hold your bases on, to make tool handles. And it comes with a full kit here. So you got a little mixing tray, a little mixing spoon with a little spatula on the end. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And then equal amounts of part A and part B, and some instructions. So it does say store in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight. Easy enough in the shop. Keep it in the box. Keep it from getting damaged. So the first thing is to prep the surface. Typical, same things. You're going to rough it up a little bit in the bonding area, some sandpaper. So the instructions are pretty simple here. It looks pretty easy. Okay, step 2, we're going to unscrew the caps. Obviously, we got the part A, the hardener, part B in equal parts. Plus, we have our little mixing tray, so that should be pretty easy. The resiner stick spatula wants you to stir it for 20 to 25 seconds. So already have the tool to do that. No big deal. Apply the epoxy to the desired surface in one even coat. Join the bonding surfaces together for best results. Clamp the surfaces together. Working times between 5 and 7 minutes. Initial form bonds in 10 to 12. 30 to 60 for the bond to be functionally cured, with a full cure in 24 hours. So when you look at all the things like putting a waste block onto a blank or something like that, this is going to be perfect for that, as well as it looks like for seating tool handles and tools. I'll have to give this a try both ways. Well, the guy sent us plenty of it. So let's do a waste block, and we'll also do a seating a new tool handle. So first thing we're going to have to do is turn a tool handle. Man, again, thank you, Starbond. Looking forward to trying this stuff out.